Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be showing you how to log into First National Mortgage account online. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. The first thing to do is to open a preferred web browser. Now in the URL box, type in mymortgage.firstnational.ca and press enter on your keyboard. Once you get to the official website for First National Mortgage, enter your username and password. Make sure you type in your credentials correct. If you don't remember your password, you can get help by clicking on the Forgot Your Password link. If you're new to your First National Mortgage, you can click on the Register Now button and follow through the instructions to sign up first. Once you are done with the sign up process, you can go ahead and access your account anytime by getting to this page and typing in your user ID and password. After filling in your correct credential, click on Login and you will then be able to sign in to First National Mortgage account. That's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.